Well, after losing 2 family members in last year's deadly hot air balloon crash in Caldwell County, Patricia Morgan is packing her bags for Washington, D.C.
I will mourn them forever, grieve them forever, but I will fight until I can no longer fight to change the laws.
She's going for next week's final hearing before the National Transportation Safety Board to determine the cause of that crash and make safety recommendations. KXAN's Lauren Landman reports on the changes family members are demanding.
Say beep beep, honk your horn.
Retirement looks a little different for this great-grandma.
She keeps me going. It's one good way to lose weight.
Last year, Patricia Morgan parked her RV and moved to San Antonio to help raise her grandchildren and her great-granddaughter.
I'm here the majority of the time.
Under the circumstances, she wouldn't change a thing. But this wasn't her choice. Patricia's daughter and granddaughter were 2 of the 16 killed in last year's hot air balloon crash.
Who's this? She doesn't have a mommy. She doesn't have a grandma. So I will make sure that she knows her mommy and her grandma.
More than just a memory, Patricia is hoping for some permanent changes.
It can't continue the way it is.
Patricia is talking with state representatives and even launched a White House petition earlier this year calling for more federal oversight. Her goal is to require balloon pilots to have the same drug tests and health certifications as other tour pilots.
It doesn't matter whether it's 1 or 16. They need to change the laws.
A change she hopes will save a life in the future.
It could take forever, but it's a fight that we cannot let our girls die in vain.
Lauren Landman, KXAN News.
Patricia Morgan will be heading to Washington, D.C. this weekend. Along with attending the hearing on Tuesday, she plans on meeting with other state representatives to express her concerns. Deadly hot air balloon crashes are rare. The NTSB says since 2000, 37 people lost their lives after the crashes. 16 of those were from the Lockhart incident. In that same time frame, the safety board investigated more than 200 balloon crashes. The top causes for crashes are excessive speed while landing, the balloon collapsing mid-flight, and coming into contact with power lines. In 2012, the NTSB asked the FAA to place the same level of oversight on hot air balloons as airplane and helicopter companies. Then again in 2014, the NTSB warned the FAA that there was a high potential for a high fatality crash. But the FAA rejected the recommendations in 2015, saying it would not make things significantly safer.